Making dinner. Today, Emma makes dinner in her flat. She feels hungry. She wants a nice dinner. Let's see what she does. Emma is in her small flat in London. It is early evening. The sky is grey. The street is quiet. Emma feels hungry. She wants to eat pasta. She likes pasta. Pasta is easy and good. Emma goes to the kitchen. She sees a small table. She sees a cooker and a sink. She has a blue pan. Emma goes to the high street. She walks past a cafe and a park. She goes to a small shop. She buys pasta and tomatoes. She buys cheese and bread. Emma goes back to her flat. She feels happy. She likes to cook. Emma puts water in the pan. She puts the pan on the cooker. The water is hot. She puts the pasta in the pan. Emma cuts the tomatoes. She puts tomatoes in a bowl. She puts cheese on a plate. She puts bread on the table. The pasta is ready. Emma puts pasta on a plate. She puts tomatoes on the pasta. She puts cheese on the pasta. Emma sits at the table. She eats pasta and bread. She drinks water. She feels good and calm. Emma likes her dinner. She smiles and feels happy.